Hello, Anne. We found I found these two characters hanging out outside. I don't know who they are, but the fellow with the camera looks dangerous.
Told nobody any numbers.
He's trying to get rid of some cheap
between 1
Easter
and
eggs.
20. Whoever said 15 is the winner.
Dennis.
Win, Dennis. Easter's nearly over.
This group is a writing group called the Hardliners, and it is a writing group made up of writers who are blind and visually impaired. And we meet every week every week since 2017 religiously, and it's a fun social group as well as a writing group.
Get me back to my haven. I say I want to be again in my field where my spirit is still and my heart attuned to the divine. I want to see again my Marshy Hollow. My sight problem is called retinal vascular disease. I used to work as a driving instructor, but I also used to do gardening work. And in 2010, after a hard day's work, I went home, and in the middle of the night, suddenly a sparkling thing happened in front of my eyes, you know. And when I woke up the following morning, I had a kind of blurred vision in the right eye. And I realised I couldn't see perfectly through it. I thought it was just a sty in my eye. That's what it felt like. But when I did go to the eye and ear hospital, they told me I'd had a mild stroke and I had lost sight in the eye. I'm certainly glad in comparison to a lot of people I have good sight, you know. But I've had to give up my job, of course. But I enjoy Sightless Cinema, and I enjoy writing with the Hardliners because it's creative, and I like creativity, and I like exploring new ideas and doing different things. And I never thought, approaching 70, that I'd be an actor and could say that I acted in a play.
What in God's name are you talking about, you ignorant so-and-so? There's nothing wrong with my daughter. She can do her sums. She just can't see the bloody blackboard.
I'm a philatelist, and I do some projects with stamps as well. I did a thematic history of Dublin in stamps. Well, this is a penny black, supposedly the first stamp ever issued. A penny black can range from €35 to 40,000, you know. And there's the man himself in all his glory. I visited the specialist, and technically I'm blind. The left eye actually over the period became worse than the right eye, and now I'm kind of almost totally blind in the left eye and have about 50% in the right eye. When I look forward now, as I raise my hand to put it out to you, I can see your head, but I can't see my hand. So I have a kind of the top part of my vision. So I have to look up and down all the time to make sure, you know, that I don't walk into things. Like one friend of mine called to the house here, and he went to shake hands with me as he left. And of course I didn't see his hand, you know, so I closed the door on him, you know. And he was down the pub after, said, "What's up with that feckin' Egypt, you know?" I put out my hand to shake hands and he shut the door.